that's the equation. So here we are going to look at translated parabolas in this part of the video, and you can see the equation. The only difference we have here is the h and k, the translation. So it has moved off the origin. So let's do an example here. So here we are given the hyperbola and we are given the transverse axis. So remember that is the long axis, and we are told that it has endpoints from -2 to 8, and you can see this is going to be on the x. This is going to be horizontal because you can see it's moving from negative. This is on -2, so about -2, -1 to 8, 1, about that point if I can sketch it. So that distance is going to be 8. So to find a, it's going to be 8 minus -2, so that's equal to 10. And that's actually, no, those are endpoints, so that means a is going to be half of that. So half of that is going to be 5. I can also be able to get the center by finding the midpoint. So I take -2 plus 8 divide by 2, and then -1 plus -1 divided by 2. So here I'm looking for the center. So this will give me negative. So this is going to give me negative, not really negative, but positive 6. So this is going to be 6 over 2 and -1, which is equals to 3, -1. So that's the center. So I know I already know A. I already know the center. Let me do that so that I don't confuse it with C. And I'm also given the conjugate axis has the conjugate axis by the shorter one has a length of 8. So that means B is equals to 4. So I know A, B is equals to 4. So I know A, I know B, so I can write the equation. So the equation is going to be x minus the center. I know the center minus 3 squared plus, and then I know y plus 1 and squared equal to 1, and this is it's on the horizontal, so this is 25, and b squared is equal to 16. So that's the equation right there. So on this example, we are supposed to find the center, vertices, and the foci. So let's start with the center. The center is going to be given by -2, 5, and then I know that A is going to be square root of 9, which is equals to 3. B is equal to square root of 49, which is equals to 7. And what else do I know? I can get C, which is equals to, C squared is equals to B squared plus A squared, which is equals to 49 plus 8 plus 9. So C is equal to square root of that, which is square root of 58. Okay, now I can be able to find the vertices. So the vertices are going to be, start from the center. So negative 2 plus or minus a, so plus or minus 3, 5, and then I can also find the co-vertices, so that those are going to be negative, that's going to be negative 2, and then 5 plus or minus b, which is 7, and then I can also find the foci, which is going to be the center, and remember it's on the horizontal because x squared comes first, and so it's going to be negative 2 plus or minus square root of 58 and 5. So that's how to do it.